teach you the rhythm of the song Everybody Clap Now. For the first part, you have to hit your legs once, then clap, and then hit your legs. And for the second part, you have to hit your legs twice, then clap, and then hit your legs again. It's like this.
Okay, now we are going to do the third part. First, you have to hit your legs twice, clap your hands, hit your legs 3 times, clap your hands again, hit your legs again 3 times, clap your hands, and hit your legs.
For the first step, firstly you have to hit your legs once, then clap your hands, then hit with the right hand your leg, then with the left and then clap. And then you have to repeat it again. It will be like this.
And then first you need to clap your hand, hit your legs 3 times with your hands, then clap 3 times, and then with the right hand hit your leg, and then clap, hit your leg, and then clap, hit your leg, and then clap, repeating it 3 times, and then you need to hit your legs with both hands.
The whole song will be like this. Everybody claps now. 2 times.